It's Be Savage. Today I'm going to do a review of Apres' new soft gel builder. This soft gel builder comes in a bottle similar to the Extend Gel bottles. I did pull out my Extend Gel just to be able to compare the two gels to one another. What I immediately noticed after opening this bottle is that this soft gel is a little thin. Now, at first, I was very concerned about the consistency because I felt like, how could I really build this up? Especially after opening the Extend Gel and looking at how thick that Extend Gel is. I am used to using thicker products like Polygel, so this will definitely be interesting to see how I do. One reason I love the Apres system so much is that even after a couple of weeks, I have very minimal lifting. My nails are still on really secure, so I just love that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and begin to remove my previous nail design. On this channel, I literally do anything nails. I also like to sprinkle in a little positivity, so if that's something that you're into, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. Also, if there's anything that you want to see on this channel, don't be afraid to let me know in the comments section and I'll definitely try to get a video out just for you. So this week I have 3 more affirmations for our sprinkle of positivity, and I really challenge you to say these to yourself every day this week and see how it works out for you. So the first one is, I'm beautiful inside and out. 2 is, I let go of negative self-talk. And 3, I am in control of my happiness. Try these 3 affirmations, see how they work for you this week. I know for me, they remind me of being able to be in control of my thoughts, the way I view myself, and my happiness are super important to increasing my self-love. And if you want, let me know how you feel about these 3 affirmations in the comments. Now that I got all that removed, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my nails. I'm using a medium grit sanding band to be able to remove the product that's lifting from the nail. Not much, but it's enough there for me to go back and make sure that that area is clean, so when I go over it with the soft gel, I have no issues. Then I begin to prep my natural nails, so I push back the cuticle area. Then I use my pointy drill bit to remove the excess skin from the nail plate. Lastly, I use a ball bit to remove any extra cuticle. I don't like to use nippers, so this is the easiest way to do it. Then I go in with some alcohol to remove all of the dust. I like to place the alcohol directly onto this brush and scrub on top and underneath just to make sure I get all of it gone. Next, I use my dehydrator from Aprés. I place the pH bonder only on my natural nail. Then I use the primer from Aprés. Now I'm going to start working with this builder gel. So first, I put a slip layer down to help make sure that the gel knows exactly where to go. I do this very, very thinly on the nail. Next, I take a small bead and I put it near the cuticle area and then float it down the rest of the nail, going from side to side. One thing I really like about this builder in a bottle is the brush. The brush makes it easy to use because it's short and really firm. It actually makes it really easy to guide the product and use so that you get the perfect shape that you want. I have to be honest, at first I was a little skeptical and a little like, is it really necessary to buy this soft builder gel? But I actually think it works really well and it's super easy to use. I like the fact that they tell you, like, don't use it if your nails have grown out past like 3 or 4 weeks. This is literally just to touch it up if it's something that you want to keep up for an extra 2 weeks or so. So I really like the product. One thing I had to relearn about using builder gel, make sure that your nail isn't sitting flat and that it's actually angled down. Use gravity as your friend to pull the gel down towards the end of the nail, just so that it doesn't flood your cuticle. So then I fill in all of my nails. Flash cured each nail for 10 seconds and then put them all in the light for 30 seconds. I remove any of the tacky layer with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe. This was actually really easy to do and I like the way it came out. Because I did use a colored extend gel, it's a little hard to see how well it filled or how well it blends. So I will be doing some more Gel X nails to see how well it does. Now I'm just going in with this bluish green color. I actually bought this color a long time ago from this set from Amelie. I really like the color. I'm kind of stuck on this blue right now, so if you guys have any suggestions to get me away from blue, please do. As usual, anything I use will be in the description box, so check it out. This color actually is really like a jelly color if you use one coat. By the time you get to the second coat, it's totally opaque and really cute. So I made sure to do 2 coats. And then of course I had to add some glitter. I just love glitter these days. I don't know why. Loose glitter is what I'm really into right now. I loved it. This is some of that iridescent glitter. I am adding this glitter to my second coat that is still wet. So before curing, add your glitter. So this glitter interestingly gives me like color shifting vibes. Like at times you can look at it and it's really dark blue, but then there are moments when it's really green. And if you look at it in the container, it is white and pink. So I was totally thrown when it came out on my nails like this, but I love it. I ended up making this nail a full glitter nail, and then on the pinky, I did a little bit of an ombre. Here, I make sure to top coat all of the nails. Although I didn't put anything on the middle and ring finger, I will be putting some chrome powder on those, and to get the chrome to stick, we need some top coat. Between each coat of polish and top coat, I do cure it in the light for 60 seconds. Then I use some of my pearl powder. I think it's Aurora, that color, chrome powder. Put it on my 2 nails in the middle and rub it in as much as possible. Here I go in with some gem gel before applying 1 layer of top coat. I apply the top coat to make sure that everything looks nice and even. And after applying the top coat, I go in with my rhinestones. After I get those rhinestones just how I like them, I put that wet gem gel and top coat in the light for 60 seconds to cure them in place. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.